Ram Madhavji, welcome to India Today. I want to start by asking you to describe as you best understand the current situation along the line of actual control. We've heard so many differing accounts here in the Indian press. We've heard from the Global Times in China, each painting a completely different picture. So why don't you begin this conversation by explaining how many points off the line of control are currently seeing a face-off between the Indian and the Chinese armies? How do you see the situation on the border right now?
In a situation like this, we should all desist from it. Having said it, coming to your question, as has already been stated by official sources, we have had certain flashpoints, certain incidents in 3 places in Ladakh area and 1 in North Sikkim. But they all have right now been taken care of. The official level engagement has happened. So situation is almost normal at this juncture.
In years gone by, the Chinese army has constructed massive infrastructure projects and has roadheads coming very close to the line of actual control. At that time, governments in India were not active and we lagged in infrastructure development along the line of actual control. Now, belatedly, Ram Madhavji, we are trying to catch up. The problem, though, seems to be that each of the infrastructure projects that we are building, as they come close to the disputed areas, the Chinese army is zooming in and trying to prevent us from pushing ahead with those infrastructure projects. This has happened now. It can happen again in the future. How do you hope to deal with this larger issue? You've got big border development plans and the Chinese army seems to want to contest those.
Look, there is one qualitative shift in our dealings on the borders that has manifested very prominently at the time of the Doklam standoff in 2017. That is, when such standoffs happen, Indo-China border has a long history of such standoffs. But the qualitative shift that I'm talking about is that when such standoffs happen, we obviously engage in proactive diplomacy. We would like to resolve them through diplomatic channels, but we will have strong ground posturing as well. Our ground posturing will remain, which is legitimate. That legitimate posturing will remain while we try to resolve issues through diplomatic channels. I think that is the kind of qualitative change that you probably have noticed and probably the other side has also noticed. I think through that process right now we are trying to address all these important challenges that we face from time to time. Having said it, both sides are mature. I'm sure the mature leadership on both sides will ensure that this does not escalate into any full-blown thing.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.